Good evening all, this is Jeff Brown coming at you with another video. Kind of a breaking out video, but not really. We're going to open up this box. Should have a 2020 end of World War II Privy ASE in it. Sorry, got a grandson crying in the background. And this is being a bit difficult to open. Thank goodness I didn't just slice my thumb open right there. Alright, here we go. I'll hand this off to my wife real quick to pull out personal information data. While she's doing that, please make sure to visit Jeff Brown, Jim Brown. I'll put links in the description. Yep, nothing here but a coin. So let's take a look at this. Unboxing. Have our little certificate right there. Next, pop this out. And let's see what we got. Yep, got to turn it around. Why? Nope.
Sorry.
Oh, it's got the, there we go. Never done an unboxing video before. Man, that's shiny. Wife's trying to blind me right now. Alright, let's pop it out and see what we got for the reverse. Maybe a little nick there. What is that? Nope, that's just on the cover, so. There we go. That's reverse. This is the obverse. See, we got the privy mark there. Very nice 2020. All right. Back in there. And time to send it in for submission. Thank you very much for joining me on this first unboxing video of mine. Maybe I'll do some later for PCGS. Other than that, have a great evening.